In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your blower motor on your Ford Taurus. It's located underneath the glove box inside the car. Alright, so sometimes it's helpful to have a mirror when you're doing work that's underneath. It saves you from craning your neck to try to see where you're trying to go. So I find that helpful. See what you're dealing with before you get in there. So the first thing we're going to do is take out these plastic grommets, holding on this part of the HVAC system. So get a trim tool in there and pry it away. There we go. Okay. Disconnect your connector by using a flathead screwdriver, lifting up this tab. It looks like this one's a little broken. So if yours is broken too, be extra gentle. Okay. Set that off to the side. Using an 8mm socket and an extension, we're gonna unscrew these 3 bolts. One here, one here, and the other one is over here. I'm gonna go for this one next. Well, this last bolt's a little difficult to get to. However, with a little patience, you'll get it out. All right. There we go. All right, so now at this point, you're just gonna give it a good yank. Make a mental note that the connector is facing the driver's steering wheel, just so you know which way to put it in. I'm going to turn it a little bit, and out it comes. Okay, I'm going to stick our blower motor up inside. And we're going to line up our guides, make sure they are where they need to be. Okay, so now you can get one of your bolts started. Try to go for another one. All right, so we're going to try to snug up this one bolt. Now we're going to move on to our one in the back here. All right, so now I'm going to put my bolt in the last hole, get it started. All right, once you get those in there, you're gonna just check your tightness. Make sure it's wrist tight. Okay. Once you have that tight, you're going to plug in your blower motor connector. So just push it on like that. Now you can replace the cover under here. So you're gonna get tabs in to the holes where they go, like that. And then you're all set. All right, now that you have that plastic cover on, everything's put back together, you can start the vehicle. Make sure your heat works properly and that your fan is blowing at different speeds, and you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.